Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Magic Trick. Today we are doing the subtotal function. So what is a subtotal function? Why we use it? Use a subtotal function in Excel instead of sum, count, max, min, etc. to ignore rows hidden by a filter or to ignore manually hidden rows. Okay, let's suppose you have some data and now you are doing some filter, but if you're doing the filter you are not able to see the total, okay, for that particular data. So how we can do it? Let's suppose this is my example for the subtotal. Okay, so I have some data, I have some name here. Okay, I'm looking for the particular name data. Let's suppose, now see here in the last we have the total. Okay, total is here, and the score 1 total is test score 1 is 526 and test score total is 730. Now I'm looking for the particular one. Let's suppose I'm looking for the Rohit Sharma. The Rohit Sharma has a total 95, but now see here total is now not visible. Okay, total is not visible here. Now we are looking for the total of particular data if I filter it. So it is possible? Okay, but it's not possible with the filter. So we have one more function that call the subtotal with the help of the subtotal. Now see here, if I apply here subtotal, okay, subtotal is here. If I click at the Mahendra Singh Dhoni, now see here serial number is also in 1 2 3. Okay, because the Mahendra Singh Dhoni is coming 3 times, and after we have the total is 89 from here, and total is 210, and this is the absolute correct total. Now see here in the last 210. Okay, so how to apply the subtotal here? Okay, and how also we can get the rows by the filter. Okay, let's suppose this is my data. Now I am applying the subtotal function here for the total first. Okay, now you have to write equal sign, you have to put equal sign in the cell, then subtotal, then you have to write here 9 for the sum. Now see here we have the series. Let's suppose if you are looking for the average, then you have to write 1 2 3 for the count, max for the 4 5 6. Now I'm putting the 9 for the sum. Okay, then comma, select the range, this is my range, and close it. Okay, now see here my total is 5 to 6. Okay, same here, subtotal, then 9, then range, this is my range. Okay, now see here 5 to 6 730. Okay, now if I select the particular one, let's suppose I'm selecting Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Now see here 89 is here and 210 is a correct sum, 89 and the 210, because the subtotal will be filter out according to the filter. They will be give you sum. Okay, according to the filter, and not the ordinary related to sum, because if you write the sum here, they will be not work with the filter. If you are using the filter and now then you are looking for the total, then I prefer you can use the subtotal function. It's very easy and very useful. Okay, if you're doing the filtering like this. Okay, and also now we are looking for the counting also. Let's suppose if Mahendra Singh Dhoni is coming first time, then 1, then they're coming again on second time, I need 2, then 3. Okay, but now it's coming the row number 2 7 and 10. So how we can put these things? So you need to write here, see, subtotal, then I'm looking for the count A. I put it the count A, and after the count A put the comma, and for the reference come to the front of the cell. You have selected my first name. Okay, then colon B2 colon B2, then freeze the first one. Okay, I freeze it the first one, then close after the here, close it. Now what will be happen? Whenever your subtotal function will be down, they automatically put the count. Okay, now see here, first to 9, the total is 9. Okay, they will be counting the numbers first to 9. Now see here, first to, their counting start to first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, so that's the reason I freeze the first one and colon B7. Okay, they will be counting one by one. If your data is going till 100, they will be count one by one till 100. Okay, so this is a subtotal function. Is very useful if now you're doing the, let's suppose I'm putting the total on Sachin Tendulkar. Now see here 1 2 3 list is here. You can select anyone. Okay, Suresh Raina I selected is our first. Okay, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is 1 2 3. Now see here counting is automatically changed. Counting is changed according to the filter. Okay, if you put it the filter, you can use this one subtotal function for the serial number and also for the sum function. It's a very useful for the sum function and sum, count, average, minimum. You can do anything with the help of the subtotal. So guys, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.